town. I'm actually on the north end of the Frank slide. It's right behind me there. So there's a bluff up there, a little viewpoint I'm going to try and get up to, and if everything keeps going well, I may try and gain the north summit of Turtle Mountain today from this side. So we'll see how it goes. Just kind of out for a little exploration off trail and see what happens. Gaining a little ground. If the audible's kind of bad, sorry, it's the wind. Nothing you can do about it down here. Blows almost all the time. But here's a good perspective of the Frank slide. You can see the highway cutting through there. I was up the mountain in the distance there a couple weeks ago. And yeah, just found this, looks like a little goat trail here, so a sheep trail. I'm gonna start following that for a bit. And we're just gonna keep heading up this way, see where it goes. Crazy. I'm just up on the slide here on the north side. As you can see, back behind me is the top of the slide, and I want to try and see if I can gain the north peak there, but I'm gonna probably head through the forest and around as it gets cliffed out up there. But yeah, you can see the clouds ripping up there. It's pretty windy. So we'll just see how far we go today. Just out playing around. It's beautiful up here. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little break on the tree line and yeah, keep on exploring. As good a spot as any. Alright, peanut butter jelly time. Up or across? I say up. Up there. It's the baseball diamond and Hillcrest. That's Bellevue across the highway there. And there's the Ocean Prairie. Pretty sweet. It's an adventure now. Getting up pretty high now. These beautiful Douglas firs up here. Up around 2,000 meters. Awesome. There's the town of Hillcrest. Prairies. Bellevue. Rockslide. It's definitely not the summit, so I could end up getting cliffed out up here, but we'll just get up to the top of this and see how far we go and call it a day. We'll see maybe if I could gain the ridge and get to the top, we'll do it, but either way, pretty awesome view. Fun day. Right on. Starting to snow a little bit. Gonna find out very soon if we get cliffed out or not. And how we're gonna go down this thing. We're just gonna go all the way down there. I think so. Cut across. Interesting. Time for some scrambling. Well, we got some weather coming in. That might change things. But at least it's snow up here. That's alright. Could blow over in 5 minutes. Let's gear up and get some stuff away here. Well, I'm pretty sure that's pretty much almost the summit of Turtle Mountain, the North Peak. I've groveled up this gully, old school scrambling style. Groveling hands and feet up scree and boulders. I should be able to get down there too. I mean, I could always cross and go down the main trail, but then I gotta walk home from Blairmore. That's where I live, down there. Awesome. Let's get to the top here. Check this out. Almost there. Should be able to break through somewhere here. Hit that final ridge. Be up in about 20 minutes. Let's do this. Well, I wasn't sure if I'd be able to make the summit, but hell yeah, I did. I'm just about there. There's a helicopter pad just up ahead. Look at that view. Look at that. Right from my house. Down there. Beauty. Turtle Mountain. All right, let's take the final few steps. Along the summit ridge here above the slide. There's all this monitoring equipment for see if the mountain's still moving, because it is. There's a perspective of the devastation. That's what's left of Frank. That's the Frank slide. There's Blairmore, or Bellevue Hillcrest. That's the Crow's Nest Highway East. Check this out. That's the town of Blairmore down there. I could take the regular route across here and hike down the main trail, but it'll be a long walk home if I do that to there. So I'm probably going to go down the same way I came up. It's a little sketchy, but I'll have to walk another 8 kilometers home. Slide looks like from above. Crazy. Running out of juice here, but this is my descent down this gully. I came up in the snow. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get down there. Hungry.